everybody. It's Neo and Olive who's eating. But we've got here this VR face cover by XRCS maybe? I don't know.
XROS.
Maybe XROS, I don't know. But let's try this thing out and see how it is. So let's open up the box. Trying to do this one-handed. Thank you.
Not working.
Okay, almost there. Okay, so we're gonna try this out on the Oculus. What is this one called? The Quest 2?
Quest 2.
Quest 2.
It's the newest one, I'm pretty sure.
Oh. So is it just a replacement face shield?
I guess it makes it softer.
Is it? Oh, it is softer. Oh, it's way softer. Okay, so let's see if we can take this thing apart and put that on there. So
Let's see.
there. How do you think you get these off? Oh, right there.
Like that.
All right, came off pretty easy.
It comes off pretty easy.
Oh, and it's got like a rubber nose too. So this is the old one here. Let's just look at them next to each other right here for a sec. So we've got this one and this one. You can see the nose section here, way softer. Okay. So let's see if we can figure out how to put this on.
Let this go. Hopefully, softer. Bam. Bam. Bam.
That's it.
Let's try it out.
Okay.
Gotta take my quad clip off. Technical difficulties.
Yes. Does it feel any better?
Ooh. Sorry.
So you can't breathe through it.
There's one, there's two.
How does it feel?
It feels really good.
Is it softer than the other one?
Yeah.
Better nose support?
Where is my turn on button? Can you help me out?
Well, we don't need to actually have it on, but...
I do.
Okay, you do.
I don't know if you can see me right now.
Yes. We see you falling all over the place.
It's really comfortable.
Okay, she likes it. Okay, so this is the XRCS face cover. So this one here is the different face cover than this one here. So if you're tired of using this one, if you've ripped it, or if you need more comfort on your nose and more support, you're gonna wanna try this one. So that's it. Thanks for watching. And you give it a thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up, okay, good. And links in the description. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with some new reviews soon. Bye.